Ka Tnat Social Welfare ka Sorkar jela haringkat ke Tnat Pulit bat ki bor punya distrik ke East Khasi Hills kila penlong ya ke jingyalang bat palat nriu potli ki Dorbar Shnong ki bahap hapok ke Greater Shillong area ha ke jingadan lang ki MLA MDC ban Iamir jingmut halor ki sinjam ha ke jinga kun pyrshah drok bat bantau ya ki kunhun Village Defence Party VDP ha ki Shnong ki tau kenang ban yarap ya ke Sorkar ha ke ni ke thma drok Haba ajingkran haka ni ke jingyalang ka balalong haka nyau tarik mentau benai hapo State Convention Center Shillong u Menteri Tnat Social Welfare uba po lingdo ulaong ka sinjam ka beningkong baki kunhun baper ki bayadan benta kilaya menjurlang kalong bentau thmai biang ya ki kunhun VDP ki batrei borba ban ya kun pyrshah ya ki kambaman kamtam haki thain nyong kendong Henry haba pai syaki sinjam ban tek lakam yudrang bat ka jing sapriang jong ki jing di penbuat menta ka sengi ngila syem ya karai bat ki Dorbar Shnong baper kin pen krek nak benta ban tau yi kunhun VDP ban sedang ya kani ngin hab ban sedang da ka bakmi biang ya ki rule ki bala tau house nem arhajar pra Meghalaya Village Defence Organization Rules 2008 bat namar ka dei ka bala slam kumta don kam ban penthma ya ki neki rule namar ka jingnang kala ha ka jinglong jingman bat ki jing jing tenju kumta ru la syem ya ki jing tip na ki Dorbar Shnong bat bu por kumbalai tayo hadu shibnai bakin pha ya ki jing ai jingmut halor ka jing pen kala ya ki neki rule ula benram u ba pol ula ong bahadian bala ai jing menjur ya ki neki jing pen kala ki Dorbar Shnong baper kin sedang bantau yi kunhun VDP ki ban yarap ya Tnat Pulit bat ya ka Sorkar ha ka jing ya kun pyrshah ya drok halaki jong ki Shnong ki tau habakeli u menteri ula ong ru ngin sakmi biang ya ki neki rule ngin sapenti kena baki VDP kindai ki sipai bala itu da ka Sorkar bat ringkat lang kin yarap yang iban itu ya ki jaka ki ba udrok ukham kenrei bat da ka jing yarap ka jongki ngin lakpat ban rat dingkhong ya uni udrok nakani ka jela Meghalaya nakaliang uba pol ula ong ru ba ka jing thumu jong kani ka jingyalang hi ka long ban nang pen klain bat penbun ya ki brew ha kani ka jing kun pyrshah e udroks ka ban sedang nadu ki Shnong ki tau kenang ban yarap lem ya ki bor pulit bat kenang ban la ban pun urlong ya kani ka thong kumju menteri ula pentip bala shimru ya karai ban sam ki kopi jong ki an badang shumi bat ki rules kum ka PID NDPS syaki Dorbar Shnong bakin ya khmi bat ai jingmut lang ha ka ban penjanai ya ki neki rules ngila shimru ya karai baki nongmi khmat pajba ki MLA bat MDC jong barok ka wei ka jela kin sedang ya kani ka ju ka kam ka bangila sedang menta ka sngi bat ban let ya selok keleng ki jaka namar ngi kwa ban iatreilang kum ka wei ka kunhun ban penti kena ya ki jing job jong ka dreams project ong shushu menteri
we tried to identify certain areas of convergence which we have done successfully with the active support of various Dorbar Shnongs, and today we had close to more than 60 Dorbar Shnongs of Greater Shillong areas first, and this initiative will also be taken to other districts, but the beginning has been made today, where we have started with the Dorbars of Greater Shillong area, primarily because we'd like to start from the state capital, where there is high concentration of trafficking and drug abuse. So the first initiative that the various stakeholders have agreed upon is the reconstitution of the village defense parties, which have been active in combating crime, especially in the rural areas. But in the context of controlling drug menace and the spread of narcotics, today we have decided that the various Dorbar Shnongs would prepare themselves to constitute these VDPs. To begin with, we have to start by revisiting the various rules that have last been framed in 2008. So it has been a long time gap, and we would certainly need to update those rules in view of the growing and changing challenges So the other important, we have clearly taken the inputs from the Dorbars and indicated a timeline of 3 weeks to a month within which they will submit their various proposals for the amendment of the rules, so that once those amendments are agreed upon, the various Dorbar Shnongs will start organizing the VDPs, which will assist the home police and also the government in combating drug menace at the locality grassroots level. Number two, we have also decided that copies of the latest laws and rules, like the PITS NDPS, will be circulated to these Dorbar Shnongs, and we will then elicit their views and opinions and suggestions on improving those rules. The third was we will be receiving suggestions from the Dorbar Shnongs. We will then familiarize them with the basic amenities, facilities, and training that is required. We'll also familiarize them with the basic rules that govern the functioning of VDPs and also the laws of the land that govern the control and reduction of drugs and narcotics. Are revisiting those rules. We will ensure that these VDPs become the foot soldiers of the law enforcing agencies, and together they will assist us in identifying, especially in the hotspots, potential drug traffickers, and with their support we should be able to eradicate the menace from Meghalaya. The purpose of the meeting is for us to have enough manpower starting from the locality level to assist the police in trying to combat the menace of drugs, and that will only happen with the support of the community. I have been advocating a community-oriented approach, and today the participation of so many Dorbar Shnongs is a proof that they have faith in what we are trying to achieve, and I'm very, very happy with the outcome of the meeting. The second part of the discussions, apart from the VDPs, is how do we tighten the noose around people who are violating the laws of the land, people who are engaged in trafficking, and that will only happen when we tighten and strengthen the laws of the land. So, which is why we have decided to solicit the opinion of the Dorbar Shnongs also, let them come up with suggestions, and we also have the law department, which will be vigorously engaged in the process of reframing those rules. Suggestion very seriously. We will certainly follow this up. A meeting of the dream, maybe at the level of the Deputy CM in charge home, will be held. And the other aspect is that we need to strengthen our convergence, because this affects not just home police and social welfare, but it also involves the community, it involves the health department, it involves the home police department. Various agencies are involved in tackling this problem. It's a multi-dimensional and very complex problem, which we are very concerned about and we are serious in eradicating.